Managing customer conversations across email, WhatsApp, live chat, and social media used to drive me crazy. No matter how many tabs I had open, something always slipped through the cracks. That's why I decided to give Trengo a try. It promises to pull all your channels into one single inbox, so your team never misses a message. But does it really simplify customer communication, or just give you one more tool to manage? Let's dig in. Trengo isn't your typical CRM. Instead of focusing purely on sales pipelines or data management, it positions itself as a customer communication hub. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of juggling multiple apps for chat, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, and even voice calls, Trengo unifies them into one shared workspace. This makes it easier for teams to stay aligned, respond quickly, and deliver consistent customer experiences. The biggest win for me is the omni-channel inbox. Every customer message, whether it's a WhatsApp chat, Facebook DM, or support email, lands in one central place. No more switching platforms or logging into multiple accounts. You can assign conversations to teammates, leave internal notes, and even set automated rules to route messages based on keywords or channel. Trengo also makes collaboration surprisingly smooth. You can tag colleagues, escalate conversations, or share drafts without customers ever seeing the back and forth. It feels a lot like Slack, but built directly into customer interactions. Automation deserves a spotlight here. With chatbots, quick replies, and workflow automations, you can take care of routine questions like, "What's your return policy?" or "What are your opening hours?" without needing human input. This saves time and frees your team to handle more complex inquiries. Another strength is integration. Trengo connects to popular business tools like Shopify, Salesforce, and HubSpot, so customer data and conversations flow seamlessly. For e-commerce and support-heavy businesses, this makes a huge difference. And of course, Trengo supports team analytics. Managers can see how many tickets are resolved, how fast response times are, and which channels are performing best. It's a simple way to measure efficiency without drowning in data. Now, Trengo isn't flawless. While the unified inbox is fantastic, it can feel overwhelming when you're managing very high volumes of messages. If your team isn't disciplined about assigning and closing conversations, the inbox can quickly get messy. The platform also focuses more on support and communication than traditional CRM functions. If you're looking for deep pipeline management, advanced sales forecasting, or heavy customization, Trengo might not be your all-in-one solution. You'll likely need to pair it with another CRM. Pricing is fair for what it offers, but small teams just starting out may find it a bit higher than simpler tools. That said, the value is in how much time it saves by centralizing everything. Trengo shines for businesses that want to master customer conversations without juggling multiple tools. It's perfect for support teams, sales reps, or e-commerce businesses that talk to customers across many different platforms. The omni-channel inbox, automation features, and integrations make it a powerful hub for communication. But if you're hunting for a pure sales CRM with heavy reporting and advanced pipeline features, Trengo might not fully replace other platforms. Think of it as a communication-first CRM that complements your broader sales or support stack. So is Trengo the answer to your messy inbox problem? If your biggest challenge is managing customer conversations across too many platforms, this tool could be exactly what you need. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, how are you currently managing customer messages? And do you think a unified inbox like Trengo could make your workflow easier? Could make